So my name's Tim Barnes and I'm the Enterprise Engagement Lead here at Loughborough University London, and we've just spent 2 days delivering a boot camp, the first activity in the new Spin Lab UK programme, a global sports accelerator that's been developed by us with our partners at the Hype Foundation from Israel and 3 other leading institutions around the world in the US, Italy and Australia. It's a programme designed to help exciting and interesting young sports technology companies somewhere between the startup and growth phase as we take them through the basics of what they need to learn and what they need to know to make the very best of their opportunities and their potential. We've been looking at issues around where they might be able to raise funding, some of the companies that they could get help and support from, the likes of KPMG and examples like Progressive Sports, and we've got to the point where we've now got 12, about half of the companies who turned up, who are going to go through to the full programme that will run over the next 3 months.
Working with Hype connects industry with a global ecosystem. So Hype is establishing spin labs across the globe. We are an inaugural partner in this venture. They have partners in Australia and Italy and the US. And what that does is create connectivity across the globe with the sharing of knowledge and ideas. And it brings people together to share knowledge and ideas in order to grow. Ventures such as this allow us to keep ahead of the trends and to provide what the market is looking for.
We chose to work with Loughborough University, the Institute for Sport Business, because if you think about the parameters that can create a successful accelerator, you look at a vibrant ecosystem which is specializing in sports and innovation. And what you can see around London and in the UK, and I just saw today that we have startups from all over Europe really coming to really take in the great ecosystem that we have here around here. And I think together we can really create success stories and really providing the next generation of sports innovation, whether it's in smart stadiums, in analytics, performance, fan engagement. So really excited about to see how this day will end up and which will be the cohort that will work with us through this program.
So we've been part of accelerator programs in the past, also other networks, but they've been very startup focused and not domain specific. And the really nice thing about Spin Lab is its focus in the sports tech and sports innovation market. So we see a huge amount of opportunities to collaborate and a lot of overlap with other companies, and this is just a very powerful network that we can exploit and make use of.
My name is Alan Edwards. I'm the Program Director of the Sport Business and Innovation Program in the MSc at Loughborough University London campus. Fastest growing areas in the area of sport is innovation. We look at the particular types of developments in the area of fan engagement, trackables, wearables. It's an enormous industry which keeps on growing exponentially.
We've really been trying to understand our business model and to think about how we go from a company now with strong traction in the UK looking to expand globally over the next 6 to 12 months. So the program's helped us to kind of pick apart some of the biggest challenges, but it's also really shown us where we're missing bits in our network and where the challenges are.
I understand that the biggest challenge for sports in terms of innovation and technology is that things are changing really fast right now, and sports need to adapt itself to the new technology that are there. And companies, enterprises in sport need to adapt and need to innovate and create new things to keep moving and keep competitive.
The Spin Hype program have been fabulous. We've got to meet so many different startups that have really sort of challenged us to think broader than what we're actually doing, but at the same time get to meet mentors and advisors and speakers who really sort of complemented the knowledge we had and sort of added to that knowledge. And we're really excited to be part of this program because I think the challenges that will be brought up and the issues that we'll identify within our business will be great for us to really build a sustainable and scalable model.